Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Srini, and in the last video, I just explained about how to fetch the data from the database into an application using Dapper C Shop. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fetch the specific column from the tables. Um, one column or more than one columns. In this video, I'm going to explain this topic and. Yeah, let's get into this. So for that, I just created two tables here. You can see, as you can see, there's two tables. uh, yeah, this is considered as a parent table and the second one is a child table. Both table has some data, so we are going to use these data into our explanation tutorial. So I just created a simple form with two data grid views. One is for first table, another one is for second table. And as you can see, there's one button. Whenever we click on it, we are going to run the query using Dapper C Sharp. Okay, so yeah, for that I just created two objects here to map the result from the database into this customized object. Okay, so this is the bills table and this is the bill items, which is related to particular row in the bills table. And yeah, um, so now we are going to get the data which has a specific column. We need to specify in the query first. So for that, in connection object we have a query method. As I said already, we have a query method. In that, I'm going to write a query here. Yeah, first table, right? So in the first table, now I'm going to fetch all the data from the all the columns from the first table, right? And we'll start it. Source result. So what uh, now you can see we cannot bind it. The reason for this, so when I click on the run button, you can see we got a result, but we cannot bind into data grid view because it should be mapped properly, right? So for that, I'm going to give bills. Now we can see, we have a two rows here from the table one. So now we are going to fetch a um, particular columns from this first table. Okay, bill number and bill amount, paid amount, balance amount. Bill number, uh, bill amount, paid amount, balance amount. So I'm going to specify the columns explicitly. uh, Bill number, paid amount, balance amount from bills. So now you can see what happens. So we will get error because we need to create a new customer objects, um, depend on the specified columns. We need to create the new object to map the result from the database into our newly created object. Okay, right? So for that I just created a new object called bill selected column. So inside I just created four properties which is equivalent to the name of the properties, which is equivalent to name and the type the properties is equivalent to what we have in a database table. Okay, so I'm going to specify the object to get the exact result. So now we can see. So I'm going to I just want to put a breakpoint here. So now we get a result, and we can also bind it. You can see bill number, bill amount, paid amount, balance amount. Yeah, so this is how we can fetch a particular columns from the table directly from the database into our application using Dapper. And yeah, thank you. In the next video I'm going to explain some other topic in Dapper. Thank you.